Today I'm going to draw a colorful reflection of the sky on a peaceful river. Stay with me. This one is fun. What we need is colored pencils. Even a basic student set will do the job. Oil pastels or crayons, no difference at all. Just grab what you have. A tea strainer, cotton swabs, tissue paper. That's it. See? Easy setup. No excuses. First, let's powder the colored pencils. If you're new to this, I'll show you exactly how. We need these shades for the sky. For the grass and plants, we'll use crayons. With half a tissue, we dab the powdered colors. First yellow, then pink, now we've got a soft pinkish yellow, also known as John Brilliant. Next comes light blue. Once the sky is done, we move on to the river, which reflects the same sky colors. Now I add violet. A light layer goes all over the sky to deepen the blue just a little bit. And the same for the river, plus the dreamy flowers in the front. For the clouds, I grab a fresh part of the tissue. Watch how I fold it into a little triangle. That's the trick for making fluffy clouds. Okay, let's draw those clouds. Use tiny spiral moves. Swirl, swirl, swirl. If there's too much color, just blow it away. Don't touch it with your hand. It's time for oil pastels or crayons. Pick 2 or 3 cool dark shades like blue, violet, and gray. With gentle pressure, sketch the mountains. Leave those little gaps. That's the paper texture at work. With a cotton swab, blend some parts and leave others rough for texture. For the grasses and greens, use different shades of green. Cooler greens for the faraway fields. Warmer greens for the closer ones. Blend some areas with the swab and leave others patchy for a natural look. Trees are just a bunch of tiny dots in dark green grouped together. At this distance, that's all the detail we need. I add a touch of black for contrast, especially on the tree tips. For the reflections of plants in the river, use a cotton swab again. And here I switch to my finger to apply powder. It makes the colors pop more. Tissue would fade it into white. I hope you are having fun drawing this colorful reflection scene with me. It's relaxing, it looks realistic, and it's so easy once you try. So grab your pencils and pastels and just give it a go. Don't hold back. This is your moment to create something beautiful. And hey, if you enjoyed this tutorial, give the video a thumbs up. Hit subscribe and ring the bell. That way you never miss a fun and easy art tutorial with me. See you in the next video, and happy drawing!